Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some barbecue chicken, but first I'm going to fry it before I barbecue it. I'm going to fry it in order to get a coat. Alright, and then I'm going to put it into the oven. So this chicken has been washed and seasoned up. As you can see, I'm going to oil on the fire. So when I finish, when this oil hot, I'm going to start. This is the flour. I'm going to put some black pepper and some cayenne pepper. I'm going to season up this flour. Alright? Stay tuned. I'm giving you step by step as to how I'm going to be doing this chicken. Yes, right guys, back again. You see this? This hay. If you could go and get this in any one of those restaurant supply store, this. Whenever you're baking and you could use this to clean off the whisk. This part. It should help to clean off the whisk part. Okay? And it's a non-stick, and this part is a non-stick. Alright. I'm going to take out this now. I just wanted to get a coat, right? This chicken in is going to fry through the bone. right. So see you when so now I'm going to take the last piece out. Now this part here, I'm going to make a sauce, like a barbecue sauce. I'm going to mix, this is some mango syrup that I have. Alright, this is what we use: honey, barbecue sauce, lemon juice, right? I'm going to add everything into this with a little water, and I'm going to boil all up. I must put a little salt to taste, and if you want spices, you could add some spice in it. It's your choice. Then I'm going to add everything into this chicken, and then put it into the oven to bake. Remember, I didn't fully cook this chicken. I have cooked it, and the reason for that is just for it a coating, right? So now I'm having the pot on the fire. I'm gonna squeeze some barbecue sauce, any one of your choice. There's the mango syrup. Oops. Okay. Honey, I'm not measuring this. You could use how much you want. Obviously, this is about 3 tablespoons, right? Stay tuned. I'm gonna add 1 bowl of water. This is the lemon juice. I don't want any seed to get in it. So this is one of the reasons I can squeeze it in the spoon. See seeds. So I'm gonna let this boil up. I'm gonna put some pepper flakes in this, and then I'm gonna taste it. Stay tuned. Salt. pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put a little sugar in here, optional. Let it boil up a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit more water and let it boil up, and then I'm gonna add it to this chicken. All right. As I said, I'm gonna add some more water, a tablespoon of sugar, and yes, stay tuned. Sugar, water, let it boil up a little for a minute or 1.5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it. Yes. So yes, so the syrup, the barbecue sauce is finished making. So I'm gonna add this to the chicken, and then I'm gonna put this into the oven hat. Now if you want, you could do it real thick, boil it down more if your choice. All right. And look at it. I'm gonna put this in the oven for half an hour or until it gets more thicker, and then I come right back and let you guys see. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, look at it. Thick syrup. Guys, you gotta try this. Try this. Delicious. Again, look at it. For any further information as to how I come up with this delicious dish, feel free to ask. Okay, mango barbecue chicken legs, Guyanese style. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, don't forget to press the notification button so whenever I post, you will be notified. All right, all the ingredients that I use will be in the description bar below. Again, mango barbecue chicken. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Stay sweet, stay safe. God bless you.